You ever catch yourself using AI to make more of the exact thing that's burning you out? More content, more emails, more strategy, more scripts. We've become productivity addicts with better tools, not better lives. And the wild part is we call that growth. But maybe the question isn't how can AI help me do more? Maybe it's how can AI help me stop losing myself in the process? Because if we got real honest for a minute, a lot of us didn't build businesses that allow us to be free. We built new prisons, golden handcuffs and all. They just come with fancier dashboards and automated sequences. And don't get me wrong, I love automated sequences. That realization hit me hard late Friday afternoon. I was automating my inbox, scheduling posts, writing prompts, all in the name of efficiency. And my brain was absolutely buzzing, but my soul was freaking exhausted. In that moment, I accidentally created an audit of sorts. Three brutal, honest questions that either free you or expose you. You want to try it out? It's not for the faint of heart. Okay, first question, the automation check. What am I actually using AI for? Be honest with yourself. List every task you've handed off to AI this month, and then ask yourself why. Was it to make more room for what matters, or was it just to avoid doing the uncomfortable stuff? Because sometimes automation isn't productivity, it's just procrastination wearing a Geek Squad tech badge. Like, yeah, it's cute that your ChatGPT can write your captions, but if the real reason you're automating is because you've lost that spark, that's not efficiency. That's avoidance. Okay, deep breath. On to question two, the intention check. What do I actually wish I had time for? And don't give me BS answers. Give me the real ones. The deep thinking without constant pings, the slow mornings where you drink your coffee without guilt, the conversation you've been too busy to have, the creative work that used to absolutely light you up. You can't automate presence, but you can use AI to make room for it. So write down the stuff that actually fuels you. Because if your calendar's full, but your soul's empty, you're doing it wrong. You still with me? We got one more to go. The third question is the realignment check. How can AI create space instead of digital clutter? I literally reframed how I write prompts with this question in mind. So, for example, the old prompt might have been something like write a viral post. The new prompt is now more like design a schedule that protects 2 hours of deep work and gets me home by 6. Another old prompt might be make 30 pieces of content. The new prompt is find 3 stories from my life that could actually help someone. The old prompt, draft replies to these 50 emails. The new prompt, which of these deserve my heart, not just my hands? When you start using AI to create space instead of stuff, you start breathing again. You stop playing the game everyone else is trapped in, and you start building and creating things that feel like yours and feels like you again. When I stopped using AI to crank out 10 times more content and started using it to create more space, my engagement actually went up. My stress, yeah, it went down. And my friends and family finally got the version of me that wasn't running on caffeine and cortisol. AI didn't just make me more productive, it helped me reconnect. So here's your challenge. You ready? Stop using AI to run faster on the same freaking hamster wheel. Start using it to build a life that doesn't require escaping from. Drop a comment and tell me one way you could use AI to create space instead of clutter. Because real productivity, it isn't about doing more. It's about finally having room to be more. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button. I'm Amanda Katarzi, and I'll see you next time. Bye.